Hello guys, I'm very happy to reconnect with you. Welcome to our UiPath Bot Central channel. Let's get deep dive into our topic. Yeah. So in the previous session, we learned about to interact with orchestrator with the help of API. What are the authorization parameters we need to follow? So already I explained about with the help of Swagger API how to configure. Then with the help of Postman how to configure. If you want detailed knowledge, you can check out my previous video. So even if I will give on a small recap for the Swagger API, so this is the by default one. So the same thing with the help of client ID plus user key, it will generate the token in the Swagger API itself. I will show that. So this is the Swagger API portal. I will hit on authorization. Here you can see authorization URL, then token URL, then client ID and client secret. So it's already get configured. Okay. So this is the one way of approach. Then second one with help of Postman. So here the client ID plus user key based on this with the help of both combination, it will generate the access token, right? So this client ID and user key where we will get under the preferences, then go to the privacy and security, then you can see the default tenant API, right? So here we have API access. So this is the user key, then client ID. With the help of both combination, we are generated this token key. You can see the API request, then required parameters, grant type client ID reference token, and return sent. Then this token got generated, right? Up to this. This is the token. I will paste it under the notepad. Okay. So here you can ask the question, why we need to generate the token again if we already generated. Okay. So the reason is here with the help of Postman, we already generated this token, right? Client token plus user key. So here what will happen? This token which is having some limitation of period within short span, it will get expired. So therefore, what we need to do, like again, we need to regenerate the token periodically within the time frame. So it will quite complex, right? So whenever we are going to hit the API request in the orchestrator, again and again we need to generate a token. So for that, we need to dedicatedly frame the or implement the workflow for it. So to avoid this, we have that approach, orchestrator API token. So here also same, the personal access token will get generated. I will show that how it will be. Just go to the, you can log in with the or UiPath orchestrator. So yeah, it will be like this. I can go to the preferences. You can see, choose the personal access token, generate the new token. Okay. So here I will give API token. Okay. So expiry date, you can see earlier these postman, there is some, I told you, right, like it's very short span of time it will get expired, but here we can able to have handle the this expiry things. Okay, but here we can able to handle the expiry time. Let's say if I want one particular token, it should be valid up to 10 days. I can give 10 or 15 like this. Okay, then what is the resource, what is the scope? So now we are going to dealing with orchestrator API, right? So I'm going to choose that. Then I'm going to select the selector, which means we will get the all the access read write for create the folders, run the jobs, queues, asset, whatever it is. Okay. Then hit on save. Now you can see one token got generated. Okay, so instead of this token, we can use this one. The main purpose is we can create the personal token and manage its expiry timings effectively. This allows us to handle the token expiry seamlessly. That is the reason we are looking to this TAD approach as well. Okay. Yeah. So this is the authorization too. So we are going to ended up our topic in this moment. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. For more RPA content, see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.